Hi Go Anywhere gang, welcome to my next travel tip video. It's been a minute since I've done one. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can, but sometimes life gets in the way and it's hard, but I am trying, so that's all you can do, right? Right. A lot of the time when we think of travel, we think that we have to go off to this far destination and drain our bank account. My next travel tip is travel where you know people. One of the biggest things about that is that it's going to save you money. So first and foremost, it's gonna cut your costs because you're not paying for somewhere to stay. And when you're not paying for somewhere to stay, you have extra money to do fun things in the place that you're traveling to. If you just want to have a getaway somewhere, my advice to you is to start thinking of all the people that you know in the world. If you're just looking to get away and go on a vacation, I highly recommend thinking of some of your friends or family members that you know. Who do you know that lives in a certain country that you've never been to before? Who do you know in a city that you've always wanted to visit but you just never made the time to go see? Who do you know is just a short road trip away and you can take an easy vacation by just hopping in your car? It's really helpful to be able to travel with a local because you see things differently. They're gonna know all the good places to eat, all the best coffee shops, the cool bars, the best places to shop. They already know all that. So you won't even have to do a ridiculous amount of research because you're going somewhere to travel with someone who lives in that place. A lot of people like when others come to visit because then you get a staycation and you get to be on vacation too because the people that are with you are on vacation. Now I know what some of you are thinking. I don't want to hit up somebody that I know and ask if I can stay with them because I don't want to feel like I'm imposing or that I'm mooching off of them. Well, I can tell you firsthand that you are not. I have traveled and stayed with a lot of friends over time, and you can do a lot of things to repay them for their kindness of letting you stay with them. You can treat them to dinner. You can help them clean up their place. You can buy them groceries for the time that you're there. And also, you can return the favor. Next time they want to go somewhere, maybe they come to your city or to your town, and you can return that favor to them and show them the same hospitality that they showed to you.